Namaskar and good morning. Today I am back with you with a reasonably good company, which is in the textile industry called FILATEX India Limited. FILATEX India Limited is into man-made fibers, especially polyester based man-made fibers or yarns, synthetic fiber yarns. It was promoted by late Ramavatar Bhagaria, Madhusudan Bhagaria, Purushottam Bhagaria, and Madhav Bhagaria. So the original founder is dead. The other people are managing the company. There are two production facilities. One is at Dadra Nagar Haveli, and the other is at Dahej in Gujarat. Now, polyester is the fiber of the future. Therefore, the Bhagarias of Filatex want to focus their attention on expanding their activities in polyester based man made fibers. So, let us see some recent milestones and plans, etc. In 2018, it has commissioned a bright polymerization of 300 tons per day for spinning. Then 190 tons per day for FDY, fully drawn yarn. Then 25 tons per day for POY, partially oriented yarn. And 85 tons per day of bright chips at its recent factory at Dahej, Gujarat. So it has commissioned. So the benefit of this should come to us in the coming quarters. Now the current products are polyester chips, semi-dull and bright, polyester POY, partially oriented yarn, that too semi-dull and bright, polyester draw texturized yarn, that is semi-dull, polypropylene draw texturized yarn, semi-dull, fully drawn yarn, semi-dull and bright. Narrow woven fabrics 2500, that is all in metric tons per annum. The total is 4,43,000 metric tons per annum, of which 1,14,700 metric tons per annum are for captive consumption. So the net saleable quantity is 3,28,300. Now, latest information, that is on 3110, along with the result they have announced, they have approved to increase its polymerization capacity by another 150 tons per day by debottlenecking, and adding machines for producing 170 tons per day of POY and 200 tons per day of DTY. The total is at a cost of 275 crores. And this is to be completed by December 2019, next year end. It has also approved a captive thermal plant of 25 megawatts at 100 crores capital. 25 megawatts, that is thermal. Now, solar power plant also it is planning 2.5 megawatts at 12 crores. Beyond all this, so once all these things are there, what does it want to do? Means it wants to go into forward integration, not only manufacturing yarn but also making fabrics. That also it wants to do by itself. Now it is selling to fabric manufacturers. Now it wants to manufacture fabrics also itself. That's a long-term plan. So when it will implement, that we don't know, but it has a plan for that now. Now, financial performance in 2018, revenue has gone up to 1,928 crores, that is up 24% year on year. Revenue up 24% year on year in 2018. EBITDA 157 crores, up 18% year on year. Profit before tax is 93 crores, after tax is 600 crores, which is up 47% year on year. So in 2018, exports amounted to 379 crores. Exports have been going up impressively. It has achieved major certifications like ISO 9001, 14001, OHAS 18001, and OEKO Tech Standard 100. So all sorts of quality certifications it is achieving. Now let us see its Q1 and Q2 performance both in a summarized way. In Q1, the revenue went up by 47.6% to 704 crores. So Q1 increase in revenue was 47.6%. In Q2, it has further gone up by 73% to 718 crores. So Q1 increase in revenue was 47.6%, Q2 increase is 73%. Now expenditure also has been going up by almost similar thing. Expenditure has gone up by 47% in Q1 and 71% in Q2. Net profit in Q1 it has gone up by 40.5%, that is 41%, let us say. In Q2 it has gone up by 50%. So Q2 is a distinct improvement over Q1 also, over Q1 and over 2018. So I will tell you once more, revenue has gone up by 73% in Q2 year on year. Expenditure also has gone up by 71% year on year, and net profit has gone up by 50% year on year in Q2. So it is going up. Now EPS is 0.93 on face value of rupees 2. Market price is 48 right now. Price earning is around 12. 52-week low is 30 and high is 59. Face value is 2. Now in a good market, you should be able to easily reach 59 and go beyond that. So maybe 15 price earning or something like that. Now especially when you consider its potential capacity increase and forward integration etc. to come in the future and in this current year also. So it is worth more than the current price. So future prospects are quite bright. The product basket right now also is quite good, and forward integration plans are quite good. Some risks are there, raw material risk etc. are there. So raw material risk is being tackled by increasing the vendor base. It is always trying to increase its buyer base also. So it is the buyer for its raw materials, it is the seller for its finished products. So on both sides is trying to make the vendor base and buyer base good. It is taking forward cover for exports and so on. Anyway, the demand is increasing steadily worldwide. So therefore selling is not a problem. So growth plans are quite good. Therefore, the plans of the company are likely to be very successful in future. It may not be a great multi-bagger, or maybe also we don't know. But currently profit margins are such that the price is not increasing to be a great multi-bagger, but it is steadily increasing. In a normal market, it can also be a multi-bagger. Please remember that. Normal market, when it will come, we will have to wait and see. All of us are waiting for that. But in the meantime, my constant advice and request to all of you is, don't go for doubtful, suspense type of companies at this moment. They are likely to fall further and further also in a market like this. In their case, future prospects you can never be sure of. They committed certain mistakes in the past. What mistakes they will commit in the future, nobody knows. If they don't commit any mistakes in the future, if some help is there from the environment, they may come up. But as a retail investor, you must avoid such risks. You must go for good companies which are producing good results. See, their price also may be falling. In fact, one of the reports says that in October the market has wiped out 6 lakh crores of investor money. Maybe. Everybody's money may come down. All companies' shares may come down, but it will not be a permanent feature. It will go up again. Good shares will go up again. People will value them higher. Therefore, select good companies whose present performance is certain. I am not talking about prices. If the performance is certain, performance is improving, they will definitely give you good wealth in the days to come. Thanks for listening. Build your portfolio now. See, it's not a time for just keeping quiet. When you find a good, well-performing company, go for it. But don't go for, I'm repeating once more, don't go for suspect companies whose past has been a little suspect and whose future also has got some question marks. Don't go for such companies now. Some people may take risks, but retail investors who are at the beginning need not take such risks. Thanks for listening. I will be back with you with some very good companies because it is the result season. So many companies are coming. I am covering just 2 or 3 per day. Thank you.